How to combine photos in CapCut. Open your CapCut, then tap on New Project. Here, tap on Photos and select any photograph that you want and simply tap on Add. You can drag the photograph to the duration of your requirement. Then, at the side you will see a plus sign icon. Simply tap on it and select any of one photo. Then simply tap on Add. Select the added photograph. At the bottom, you will see some of the tools. Go ahead and search for overlay and tap on it. So right here, you can go ahead and adjust the size and position of the photograph by pinching it. Then just drag in the position of your requirement. Once you do that, again tap on the plus sign icon, second another photograph, tap on Add, select the added image, then search for the option of overlay, tap on overlay, arrange the size and the position of the photograph as you want, then place it in the position of your requirement again. Now once you are happy with it, if you give it a play, it should look something like this. So you can go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.